taking a little bit of a break from the WRX today. We're still waiting on being able to drive up to Arkansas to get some parts for it. Plus, we have to get a lot of stuff done to my Lexus. I do have kind of a time crunch. I know that the build and stuff like that has been sort of redundant on the channel, and I'm gonna try and only make a couple more build episodes before we tune it. But tuning is happening very, very soon. So we're gonna head up to Trackstar today and have a day of just trying to get as much as possible done to the SC300. But first, I didn't have any monsters on deck in the fridge, so shout out to 7-Eleven for always having them stacked in here. Ooh, 2 for $4. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go red and purple.
What I do?
All right, you have a good one. Bye-bye.
What I do?
Tough choice time. Red, purple.
What are the flavors?
Red or purple? You want it to taste like red or want it to taste like purple? Good choice. I'm gonna leave this WRX in the dust, baby.
Oh dear God. Bye.
Bye.
Golly, he's way back there.
Okay, I do have one question for you guys. We like this car, but we really need a truck. Like, we really need a truck. We're thinking about, we're not thinking about, it's literally on the tip of our brains. We kind of maybe are thinking about possibly considering buying a Raptor instead. So would that be cool? I know you guys meme me all the time for trading cars, but it's a different thing for dailies than it is for project cars. So we're maybe thinking about getting a Raptor instead of this. I don't know. We are back. Dude, there's so many cool cars here. Ignore the tire light, it's fake. Hello. What's going on, man? Wow, you got a setup here, dog. Hey, I missed you. So, I'm here at Trackstar, and I want you guys to do me a favor. I'm going to be doing as much as I can, but since we have the Subaru and we have a lot of other stuff going on, I want you guys to check out Trackstar MediaWorks. If there's anything going on with this car, if you want to keep up with some of the extra stuff before it gets tuned, they're going to be posting some videos. So if you want to keep up with that, make sure you follow Trackstar MediaWorks. I'm gonna try and finish up as much as I possibly can. The manifold's not all the way on, gotta do that. I've got oil lines to run, I got fuel lines that I still need to get cut, but I'm gonna try and get as much wrapped up on this car as possible. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. This is so cool. And then we've got a lot of raw braided fuel line. Literally every AN connection, oh my God, I could possibly ever need. So they literally hooked it up so fat. Every possible thing I honestly think I could ever need that has anything to do with AN. Oh my God. The drain on. So now I need something to cut this braided line so I can make a nice clean cut. They didn't do a very great job of cutting this for me. It's very frayed at the end, so I'm gonna have to remake this cut. Right now we've got the drain on the bottom of the turbo, and then we've got the drain all the way torqued onto here. switching from a twin turbo to a single turbo, you don't need two high pressure feeds anymore. So one's gonna be blocked off and the other one's gonna be used. It's really easy. Here's the OEM banjo bolt this used to use. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and see how long we need to cut this line. It's probably only gonna be like 4 or 5 inches, but we'll see. So, if you want, I can hold the turbo. I mean, it's gonna be lower than that too, so.
Is it?
Yeah, so I mean, this is where, so it'll sit about right there. That's probably about right. So I would maybe give it another.
We want it to be too long to start out with, perhaps.
Basically about right here. Give or take about. All right, I got a spot held there.
Alrighty, sir.
There is 0 thread inside of this. It's not even there. So that's cool. I'm gonna have to go buy a new one.
I haven't seen some pretty ridiculous stuff. Like I've seen vacuum tees that don't actually talk to each other, you know? But yeah,
I did buy it off of eBay, so
it happens.
I kind of deserve that. Thanks, China. We are gonna need to go to the store, grab a replacement for this. I had good faith in eBay, dude. Really let me down. 45 minutes later, got a 45 degree, and we got a dude that actually has thread in it. Ow, that was my eyeball. Ow. Also, guys, just look at these. This is one of the homies at the shop. I absolutely love Wed's Crons, whatever it is. These are some of my favorite wheels ever. These look so good on SCs. So you made it go around the manifold?
Yeah, and it's got plenty of clearance as far as staying away from the hot stuff. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna work.
Sweet. While we're kind of in between things, I had a white Monster can as my coolant overflow for the longest time. And since we kind of changed the color of the car, I think it's about time we change it up. Get a little purple, match the pink, match the Thought Patrol craziness. I dig it. All right, so at this point, we've kind of, we figured out that it's not a big deal, but it kind of is. The manifold actually ends up hitting a stud out of the thermostat housing. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to grind down a little bit of aluminum and then try and fix the stud that's sticking out of it, and then it should fit just fine. This is the first time it's actually been torqued down, so we figured out that it's actually hitting something, which is not a big deal. It's just slight modifications is gonna get us there. Everything should be on really soon, and this is exactly what happens when you're working on cars. When you start doing aftermarket stuff.
No, just when you're working on cars.
Yeah,
when you're working on cars.
When you're working on cars.
Yeah.
All right, true.
It's par for the course.
All right, just prepare yourself. So we've got a button head on it. It's the right size.
Yes.
Does it actually fit? Oh my God.
Still maybe contacting.
Iffy.
Yeah, it's still maybe contacting. Still
Dang.
flapping in the wind. So we need more clearance than that provides. So
That was
then
fun to run.
we need about half of that material. Maybe not half, but that area there needs to go away.
And then as soon as that's done, though, it'll fit.
Then I think so. Yeah.
So that is the that's the update for today. Trackstar Media Works is going to be filming on this until it's tuned, and we've got a lot on our plate with the Subaru, and then I actually have something really cool, some cool stuff coming for the Evo as well. So we're going to be really busy. So you guys probably won't see this car again until it runs, which is really good. I mean, it's so close to running. It just needs fuel and then fluids. So anyways, I want to give a big shout out to the sponsors of this build. Deechworks is huge on all of my cars. Deechworks has been a huge help. And then also we have Fabulous Fabrication, apparel, and stickers. We're obviously out here at Trackstar getting a lot of stuff done. Kevin Susi also, Turn 5. PTP Turbo Blankets, Comp Turbo, SD Motorworks as well. It's where I get all my gauges and stuff. So huge thanks to you guys. I'm just so ready to see this car in action again. I'm so ready to drive this thing. I miss having a rear wheel drive car. It kind of sucks having all your cars all wheel drive. We're gonna say goodbye to this thing until it's done. I definitely want you guys to check out Trackstar Media Works. They're gonna be doing all the coverage and making videos of all the stupid stuff that they're gonna have to do to this Lexus to finish it up. We have a lot to do on our schedule. We have a lot to do with the WRX, so the next time I see this car, it's gonna be running. Don't wanna see it until it's running again. Ready to get some chicken wings?
Chicken wing.
My favorite ending to a video is getting some chicken wings, baby. Thank you guys for watching. I definitely just hit my wipers. Whoopsies. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you again. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, everybody, and be victorious.